In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the security of your Proton Mail app by setting up the app lock feature, a simple yet effective way to ensure your emails remain private and secure. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together to get this important security feature up and running. First, you'll want to start by opening the Proton Mail app on your device. Make sure it's up to date for the best experience and latest features. Once you're in the app, look towards the bottom or sidebar, depending on your device type, where you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and tap on it to enter the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, look for the section labeled Security. This is where you'll find options specifically designed to protect your information. Select Security to explore the various protective features Proton Mail offers. Within the security settings, you'll notice an option to enable the app lock feature. This is a crucial step for boosting the security of your Proton Mail app. App lock gives you the choice to secure your app using a PIN, your fingerprint, or Face ID. Depending on what your device supports, select the option that best suits your needs. If you're setting it up for the first time, you may have to provide permissions or follow prompts specific to your device type. If you select a PIN, make sure it's something memorable yet not easily guessed. For biometric options like a fingerprint or Face ID, follow the on-screen instructions from your device to ensure it's your fingerprint or face being registered. With the app lock feature now enabled, let's look at how it works in practice. To lock the app, all you need to do is exit Proton Mail. When you're done checking your emails and you close the app or navigate away, it will automatically lock to ensure your sensitive information is protected. When you're ready to dive back into your emails, unlocking the app is straightforward. If you've opted for the PIN, simply enter it when prompted. For those using biometric authentication, a quick scan of your fingerprint or face will do the trick. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to secure your mail with Proton Mail's app lock feature. Remember, keeping sensitive data protected is crucial, and these few steps can make a big difference in maintaining your privacy. Thank you for taking the time to boost your app security with me. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.